What is up guys, More Technology here. So today I just got my Samsung Galaxy S8, so I will do a quick unboxing for you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright guys, here's the Samsung Galaxy S8 box. On the top, as you can see, there's a beautiful S8 logo. At the back we have some specification of the S8 itself. We got a 5.8 inch Super AMOLED display, 12 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, IP68 water and dust resistant, iris scanner, NOx protected, 64 gigs memory, 4 gigs RAM, wireless charging, your phone turned by AKG. Okay guys, now I'm going to open the box for you. See that, it's easy. Okay, on the top we have a Samsung logo. At the back nothing. So to open the box you need to cut the seal, so I've already cut mine. When you open that first, you could see the beautiful Samsung Galaxy S8 here. So I got the maple one here, maple gold, beautiful S8 here. My god, look at this display, so huge, beautiful. Samsung, you've done a great job. Wow, look at this. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, all that. And we got the instruction manual in this, and we have also the eject pin and some more stuff in the box. We got an adapter, fast charging adapter, and we have the OTG, the USB connector, as well as the micro USB connector. So both of them will be very useful. And what we got else here is, yeah, of course, the USB type C cable, and of course we got the nice headphone by AKG. We got also some earbuds. And that's all in the box, guys. So let's put that aside. Here's the S8. I'm just going to power it on. Okay, here's a beautiful Samsung Galaxy S8 logo, Droid. Oh wow. So guys, let's check the phone really quick. When holding the phone, it feels really comfortable. It's running Android 7.0 right now, Nougat. Alright guys, that's all for this unboxing video. If you did enjoy, please make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. Catch you later in my next video.